As soon as I saw you get off of the tracks, I was like, guys, you gotta try to hit it. Woo! Woo! Okay, baby, I gotta do something. HOHRacing TV. Do you mind if we ask you a couple questions about your awesome machine? What do you guys got going on here?
1928 parlay cab. 1928 parlay. Done it about 50 years ago.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Nice.
My grandma actually got married.
Wow.
That's cool.
Heck yeah. Yep, how to do that already.
Crikey. Now this is something special, mate. Right there. You're looking at a young mud bogger stuck deep in the wild waters of Ocean Pond. He's fighting hard, but the bog, oh, it's got him now. We can't interfere. Not yet. This is a sacred moment. Nature's test. Wait. What's this? Another wild rider approaches. It's a rescue. Crikey, what a legend. Nature always finds a way. And mates, they're the real apex predators of teamwork.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, he's like good.
Mud bog we can play in. Woo! Look how deep that one is. That would be funny. That would be funny. Smell it. I've just been sitting here filming your face the whole time. What are you talking about?
So it looks like, look over the camera's pointing down or straight in my nose or something.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys come out here all the time?
Oh yeah, I was born and raised in this pond.
Yeah.
This pond here I grew up in.
So it's been around for a while.
Oh yeah, it's been here for a long time. There for a long time they closed it down, nobody playing.
Oh.
The owners wouldn't let nobody playing. Then they sold it, then they opened it back up. I'm glad they did.
Yeah, we need places for people to come and have fun, man. There's nothing to do except for sit inside and watch TV
awesome. Oh,
I'll be back out.
awesome. Thank you. You guys get stuck over there?
Old guys.
Right.
Gosh, that'll be so cool. Oh my gosh, there's a rat race pit, a burnout pit. Oh my god, I love these people. Let's go underneath that water again. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. We got a Ocean Pond Mud Bog. Drag strip. The race just started. So I guess we got enough cars. So it's really cool. I'm so thirsty. Burnout pad. Okay, no burnouts on the four-wheeler. Darn it.
right place, right
Yes, yes. How you doing? Trevor.
Working on it, we're gaining on it.
That's good, yeah. I mean, it looks like a lot of fun. So.
It's gonna be right now to work.
Yes, it's always right. Yes.
It's a lot of work, so.
Yeah. But ours is just for dirt bikes, you know. So it's. Oh, you guys are? Awesome. Hell yes. Yeah.
Back in that back corner.
All right.
Kind of went back and scratched around a little bit with the wall track.
Yeah.
We're talking in a motocross. So that
Awesome.
before that happens, we're gonna do a scrambler.
Yeah.
Start over here, we're all in the back and we'll go back.
Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
That, we're just in Morrison right now. That's where we're at. It's not too far away, but to get it to anything else like that, it's hours away, you know, usually.
When do you guys get clear on your burnout pad?
Yeah, is
I have to make it bigger.
They didn't think about it going around, huh?
That's in the works. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a flat track.
Awesome. Ooh, a flat track, like for motorcycle flat tracks or any flat track vehicles or sprint cars.
Go-karts.
Yeah, ooh, that's gonna be fun. Yeah.
Probably bring in the monster truck before it's all over with.
Awesome.
I was in the monster truck.
Okay, all right, awesome.
I'll have to cut the full guy in.
Awesome.
We gotta grow.
Yeah, that's what we're doing too. Yes.
But we do camp now.
Yes, I saw that.
We've seen that. That's awesome. Yeah. Okay. All right, awesome.